Youth group together, right? In Spanish Town, one community. And we always love dancing. You understand? So from there and then like that was like about 1999, right? Yeah. We come together. You understand? Nix Bling and Marlon Bling and John Bling. You get me? And then German Bling introduced me to the thing.
And that's the base for our dancing and for our lifestyle.
Everything we go through in our life, we day to day life. Like how we say sky's the limit. Like how the Nazi at Jamaica, you are straight from there. We say sky's the limit. Every time we see a place in the sky, we hit. So things like that, never fresh, never clean, the way we live life. Just basically life story. What are the dancing we build in our entire life and just the life. Not just that the man said. We live life.
I got some people involved with coming and say, black players. Yo, it's like the man, will I dance for that man? Or will I dance for a Superman, will I dance for a Hulk, will I dance for a Transformer? We don't really dance like that. We can't get up like any other dancer saying, will I dance for a Transformer because that's the name they have. No, our thing come to as a vision. Because the group is a very spiritual group. Very.
That's first and everything. Black people represent race, color. You understand? And play for our achieve. In every group, you don't know you have to have love and unity. You just timing and dedication in anything you do in order to achieve your goal. So any dance group out there want to be like Black Blingers or want to be a dancer, you just know you have to have timing and dedication and love and unity and principle. You understand?
And next thing too, mainly, you can't one-dimensional, meaning you can't just have just dancing alone. Or keep your horizon wide, you know what I mean? Be creative on all levels, yeah? So if you want to dance, you're supposed to at the same time pray if you want to do a song for your dance, yeah? You're supposed to at the same time want to pray if you do a music video for your dance, you see me? So at the all time, whenever you pray make your horizons broad because you can't be one-dimensional. You see me? So
the next thing King come on make them know still. The tune is we get up and dance every day. If I know something you love, don't pick it up, yeah?
Plus the dough, vice but know me and my friend them step out and I start the show. Oh, here we go, it's a must.
We flavors them shiny. Be a hot girl flat behind me. Me own flashy suit, me designing. The girl tiny whiny. Me walk her French, so me grimy. She want the walk and she try me. Now she want mind me. Oh, she have a night when she buy me. Here's MVP, one sign me. Black, white and tiny. Trinity want be a let's girl grind me. Puerto Rican fly, come find me. We evers, 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 we alright, brush up the jet, some girls are weird. Them here so with the yarn a fret, them a fret cause them know when we link alone knock them a get no doubt, no maybe. Place them a best so we knock when Susie pop this the car. Give me a take when I want show up, pop. Reach over me and another cop with a car and right for his belly and grab the car.
Plus the dough, vice but know me and my friend them step out and I start the show. Oh, here we go, Here we go, it's a mafia world. So pass for my Red Bull, pass for Magnum. I grade a blaze till the morning come. No worry about them swagger, yeah, we have it locked down. Black bling as smooth and the world locked down. Yeah,